Hey guys, welcome back to Ceiling Fan Startup. It's 2023, 2024 on Roblox. So we're gonna start with the Utopians on the second floor. I did the first floor already, but now I'm doing the second floor. I'll wait for these to warm up since they're separated from each other and they probably glitch out on me and probably continue starting up. These will stay on medium for this video since they'll be on high only when it's really hot. Here's medium Utopians. Alright, passport 3. And Panama. Now I might create a Panama 5 that will this exact combination, but I'll change the blade color to walnut to make it look like to reassemble Aiden Panthers' Panama 5, which he recently fixed. He got it in 2021, but the board was dead on it. But thankfully, it's working now. Except it might need a break-in period. Since it got a new resistor. Since the new transistor, new resistor, since those were all bad. And thankfully, the board's working now. There's high in this. 1930s originals. Down to the Discovery one. I'll do this lever controls are right here. That's the Victorian. And my Saturn, which is the original blades. For season 3. And quick connect. I forgot about this Victorian right here. I'll wait for this Victorian to warm up. Alright, Delta 2. Delta 2, and Saturn. I'm not going to turn the halogen star light on since that causes a glare. Rocket fan. And halogen star. Actually, I might even turn halogen star on 1%. One of these fans might get moved. Like, I might move the Discovery right here and then put a black Hampton Bay Industrial right here. Then put the Mercury somewhere else. No, the halogen star somewhere else. Maybe somewhere downstairs. Somewhere downstairs. Alright, the arcade. Halogen star. No Mercury. I get these three fans mixed up. Delta 2 and Jack's room. And we got the fans. Let's turn them on. Light. Oh, got the light in this one. And Saturn. I don't want to wait in these videos since I'll wait for these three to start up. I'll wait out here for them. I'll just walk through. I'll just turn the Capri light on. I'm not going to turn the Capri on since that's going to cause some glitching from these two fans. But if I do put a desk in here, this may be moved over the desk. Since it is a small fan and small fans should be in small fan places, large fans should be in large fan places. That's like with the same setup in the Fanimation Museum. (1930s) originals. Light on. Fan on. Fan. Light on. And fan on. Or I might move the halogen star in between these Delta 2s and then put the black industrial right there. I'll have the black industrial turned off usually, and then I'll turn the black industrial I'll usually have that on low with the AC, and then medium low or medium low with or medium during the shoulder seasons, or medium or medium high during the shoulder seasons, since medium high don't have a big difference. And Delta 2 right here. Meant to have that one downdraft. Don't want to updraft that one. Cristofano, highlight on. I'll watch it start up when we turn the center fans on. Chandelier speed 4 since it only has 4 speeds regardless. Bella Air Halo number 2. VV Deltas. He has trouble with his problem. I have problems with him. Come back to the US on Saturday. But I had to. I just let you know because Taipei didn't like Moodle. Alright, Thai. Fanimation Islander. Way down in Florida Keys, there's no place like Kokomo. Down in Kokomo. Aruba, Jamaica, oh, I want to take you to Bermuda, Bahamas, oh, Notre Dame, Mama, Key Largo, Montego, oh, down in Kokomo. That's high on all this. The Islander's a little slow since it's supposed to be made for looks. It's just the way it is, though, so. But I still like that fan, though. And the classic, the lovely classic Hunter original. Classic original. Where the heck is the fan chain for the... Here it is. Passport 3's right here. This one will be on high. Reverse. This one will be on medium reverse, since this one will be based on the colony models. I might modify these to put on switches. They will all be set to default to low, but the one in that far corner will be on medium, since they'll be stuck on medium. I meant to put it on forward. Medium forward. And high forward. Victorian 2. This one used to run on reverse a lot, but hopefully I can try to program that Passport 3 to wobble. But I can't run on reverse, though, if it will wobble like this. But I wish you could run wobbly fans and Roblox in reverse, though. Centaurus and Volaire. Put the lights on. We're already 18 minutes? Wow. We've done this quick so far. Oh, forgot the original. And these two passports right here, so gotta turn this quad section on. Original Concentra, which is mine. I should put this one in reverse too, to make it look like the ones in my neighbor's place. Passport 3. Put these in opposite directions. This one in reverse. This one in forward. But these ones will just be on high for right now, but they usually run on medium. Because they're based off the ones at a pizza place. Long Home Depot low profiles. That would be another fan that should be recreated on Roblox, as the Home Depot version of the low profile, which shares the same blade arms as these. Or in the Beacon, but the Beacon Hill size blade arms. also start the other fans in the back corner. There. Like this original right here, this Victorian. I'm gonna start the original, the Victorian. At the same time, the Delta 2. All right. Here are the original and the Delta 2. I'll turn the light off. The Delta 2, so that light is glaring bright. And the 2 California Zephyrs last one. Everything's on high. That's the speed that my California Zephyr actually ran on by the original owner. Was usually high, which caused the flywheel to warp. This is my song. I've been listening to the radio all night long. Alright, let's walk through. 21 minutes recording. Alright, California Zephyr. They're moving a lot of air. Delta 2. Original's moving a lot. Victorian. Saturn, excuse me. Victorian. Discovery. 1930s originals. Four Seasons 3. Other Victorian. Quick Connect. Passport 3 and Panama 5. Utopians, only on medium. And this quad of fans right here. The Mercury, Victorian, and these 2 Delta 2s right here. Saturn. Arcade. Delta 2. This one's a slower one though. Jackstrom. Maybe we'll start the Capri. Maybe we'll turn off the other fans in the background. We'll start the Capri in the end. Delta 2. Or we'll do it in the 3rd floor actually. Actually, we'll start at the end. Passport 3s. 1930s originals. This one's a little slower for some reason. The one on the left. Delta 2. 1930s originals. Passport 3s, but the Concentra. Original. I'm gonna swing from the chandelier. And the main character, Stefano. Let's try to get a group view of them. You can see the passports in the background. That Cristofano's already glitching. If I can get a group view of these. the Passport 3s and the Concentra. Bel Air Halos. Delta VVs. Islander. Panama Damps. Islander once again. California Zephyr. Raphael Tiffany. Centaurus and Volair. Excuse me. Passport 3s. Passport 3s. Victorian 2, Moment Zeke. California Zephyr. I thought my laptop fan was on for a minute because there's a lot of wind noise right now. California Zephyr. Baby Passport 3. Or Ryan Dan's Passport 3. Concentras. Victorian 2. Original. And Victorian 2. Delta 2. And California Zephyrs. That's where we ended off. And yeah. See zigzag around here one more time. Victorian 2 original, Victorian 2. Victorian 2. Victorian 2. Victorian 2. Delta 2s. Anyways, thanks for watching. Enjoy, like, comment, and subscribe.